Hey going guys, it's Luke here. Today in this video I'm going to be reviewing and walking through how to use Weblium. Full disclosure, I did get an email from Weblium the other day and they asked if I want to join their affiliate program and review their software. So that's what I'm going to do. I've actually never used Weblium before, or Weblium. So we're going to be going through this together and learning together on how to use it. I really haven't even logged in before. So we're going to have to start an account. And let's get into it, guys. So apparently this is a AI powered site builder that is super easy to use, and I get the impression that it's going to be similar to Squarespace and Wix when I'm scrolling through their website. And today I'm going to be building and copying a website from the Queen's Head Hotel, which is a boutique, a restaurant and bar and hotel in North Adelaide. So that is the plan for today, what we'll do. Let's get straight into it. Now, off the bat, I'm struggling to sign up already. And yeah, it's not going well. Let's try again. Maybe we'll go log in. Here we go. We're getting somewhere, it looks like. Now, I'm being 100% serious. I've never used this program ever. I've never built a website using this. So this is going to be a first time review and experience and walkthrough for using this platform. So this is going to be a good benchmark. And my experience with web builders has been quite extensive. I've used Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, Webflow. So I'm quite experienced with a few of these. So it's going to be interesting to see how I find this platform and whether there's any value in it or whether it's just another website builder that's not very useful. Let's log in with an account. Let's log in with Google. It's going to take some time. So far their system hasn't been very good because I can't actually create an account yet. So let's hope this works to sign in. Yep, please work. Here we go, this looks good. We're getting somewhere. Oh, they just sent me an email on my phone. Cool. And we're logging in. Let's get started, guys. It looks like we're about to get in. It's probably taken 2 or 3 minutes to create an account. Don't know why it's so slow. I have to refresh this now. Please work. This is not a good start, is it? Here we go. Sorry, I'm a bit impatient, aren't I? Or is it not working? Here we go. I'm getting there, I think. So obviously a bit of a downside of this software so far is that it's not the fastest website builder. I don't know if this is my internet because I am using my phone's hotspot at the moment because my internet's down. Oh my goodness. So what picks describes you best? Well, I'm a business owner, just a marketer. Next. Yes, I build websites professionally. For clients through an agency. Okay. Let's create, oh, this is going on forever. It wants us to use a template. Now, as I said, we're going to be building the site, the Queen's Head Hotel. We're going to be doing similar to this anyway. So it's going to be lots of big images of food and plates and quite a simple menu up there. Let's see what Weblium offers. They've got a few categories along the side here. Let's scroll through and see what catches my eye. Probably want something to do with photography or something like that with big images, hey? So far nothing has really caught my eye. I am thinking about down here, portfolio and CV. What about this one? This is looking interesting. Let's use food photographer, because that's kind of what the Queen's Head Hotel has got on its website currently. Here we go. I'm just getting that up so we can start downloading some of their photos and using their photos on the website. Full disclosure, I don't own the Queen's Head or have any reason to use their website. It's just something that I've chosen because I think it's quite a pretty website. Okay, here we go. I think Weblium, is it Weblium or Weblium? Weblium is quite slow because it's creating an account. I think that's why it's so slow, I hope. There's a bit of a guide here. I'm not going to watch that, that's boring. Let's see how it works. So we've got a few things going on here. We can add a logo, add a site page, connect a domain, add a contact form. Oh, it's quite okay. It's quite a few tips. Let's exit out of that for the time being. Let's have a look around here. Okay, so there's a lot going on. A lot of upgrade buttons and stuff like that. But it's looking kind of easy to use. Let's start by changing this. So this is obviously the image for the logo. We want to make that the Queen's Head Hotel logo. Go Queen's Head Hotel logo and download it quickly. Here we go, that's it there. Save image. We'll just quickly download this go onto my desktop, call it QH. And let's upload this into here, see how this works. If we go upload, drag this there. Well, here we go, uploaded quite fast. So they've obviously got a few free photos for us to use from this template. That's cool. It's nice for them to do that for us. Let's go apply image. Okay. There we go, okay. That's worked quite well. We can make it bigger. We can. Okay, that's not bad. Happy with that. Okay, and this is obviously our pages. So we've got portfolio, services, pricing, and obviously these go to different pages. So they're going to scroll to block. So let's go into the section portfolio. So if we click on that, let's go preview. It'll take us to the portfolio section of this main page. Okay, that's quite a handy feature to have. How's this preview working? It's taking quite a bit of time. Hopefully that's because of my internet. Okay. So far it's not working. Let's just adjust this. Okay, let's just refresh this. See what happens. It's taking some time. Here we go. We're getting there. It's taking longer than I'd like. If I'm honest, my experience with Squarespace... Oh, I'm back to here. Oh, yes, okay. If I'm honest, my experience with Squarespace and other website designers has been faster, but that's okay. Let's download this photo here of the Queen's Head Hotel and set that as the backdrop. Queen's Head background. Let's upload that into here. How do we do that? I probably need to adjust this photo in here maybe. Block settings, background. Here we go. Upload. Let's select this one here. And let's see how this fills into here. There's obviously a few options for editing this image. Oh, there we go. Let's have a color overlay and let's darken it a bit. Yeah, nice. Let's go custom color and let's put a dark overlay. Not that dark, but considerably darker. Like that. About 80%, 79%. Cool. I'm quite happy with that. Exit that. Exit that. It's looking quite nice. I would like to get rid of this bar down here. Now, food photography and videography doesn't look very good. Let's call that Queen's Head Hotel. And we want this in H1 tag if possible, because H1 tag is the most important tag. And let's add the subheading as North Adelaide's finest restaurant. Jeez, I can't spell this morning. And hotel. And we probably want that just as text. Yeah, nice. Now I'm not happy with the color of this. So you can see it's gone to the contact form, which is probably down the bottom. If we go settings and go design, I just want to change the color really. How do I change that? Design. Okay. Here we go, global button styles. Let's change this color in here. Aha, color. Custom color. Let's make something a bit classier. I don't want bright pink. How about a nice grey or a white? Let's see how that looks. Probably need to change the text color to a black. And let's go done. Let's have a look at that. How does that look? Have I broken that? Hasn't really updated. Probably missed something there. Okay. It's looking quite nice so far now. So obviously that button's going to take us to the contact section, which is down here. Okay, interesting. Well, quite a few sections. Let's delete a few. Let's keep that bit there. We can keep this bit here, but we don't want portfolio. If we go block settings and go, can we delete it? Info. Okay, so there's the anchor name. That's good. That's a good feature to have. Let's go here. Oh, there we go. Delete. Bye-bye. Let's delete this section here too. Delete that. Good. We don't want our rates here because we're not a photographer. We don't need why choose us. We don't need this. Yeah, let's get rid of a lot of this. We don't need this bit either. We just really want to keep that contact us page, hey? Let's delete that. Testimonials. We could get testimonial sections. We can call it reviews though, just while we're here quickly. Double tap that. Quite easy to update. I want to make that H2 contact. Let's call it contact. Okay, that's obviously, let's call it the name there. Queen's Head Hotel. So far I've actually quite enjoyed using this program. 117 Kermode Street, North Adelaide. I've quite enjoyed using this. Their phone number is here. If I'm honest, it's actually very similar to using using a similar program like it's similar to using a program like Squarespace. Can we adjust the map here? Okay, let's get rid of that. Let's add location and let's call it Queen's Head Hotel, and the address is 117 Kermode Street. Well, there it is, spot on. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's go add location. Okay, good, that's worked. And it's looking like we can adjust the, yes, here we go. Kind of like this. No. Blue's quite techy. I like that one. That's just kind of like the old school Google Maps. Let's keep it that. Yeah, looks quite nice with the white. contact me. Let's call it inquiries. Inquiries. And that's, no, we don't want to add an element. Or maybe we do. Let's call it inquire about the Queen's Head. Full stop. Okay, so obviously this form takes your name, phone number, email, and a message. That's good. And then a submit button. Is it easy to edit this? Oh yeah. Short text, phone, email, long text, add field. Interesting. We're going to get a different image for that. I'm happy with that. Reviews, we can steal them from a website. Let's call this about the Queen's Head. About the Queen's Head Hotel. Once again, this can go into the second setting, H2. You have to highlight that first, actually. Yeah, no, it's okay. And let's just steal a little bit of information about the Queen's Head from their website, if we can. Drink. Maybe they've got information here about it. The Queen's Head is one of Adelaide's best kept secrets. Let's just copy that and chuck that into here. Now we probably want a different background. That text is probably too big. Currently at 17 pixels according to this. Let's make it 13. No, it's too small. Can we edit this customly? No, we can't. 15. Okay, that looks alright. Let's get rid of this button. And delete that. Now, we want to change this image. Hey, let's find a photo. That's a nice photo. Quickly save this. So that's obviously the courtyard. QH courtyard. Now let's chuck this in there. So that should just be a matter of going into here and going to background, upload an image. Here we go. Once again, I might want to add a bit of a color overlay depending on how it looks. How's that looking? Oh, it hasn't loaded very well. Why is that? Let's have a look. That's re-uploaded. Oh, that's why. It's very low definition image. Let's save it again. Let's just save it as that and see if this is higher quality. Upload this one. Much better. That was my bad. Weblium, thank you for that. I'm really confused whether they call it Weblium or Weblium. It's probably Weblium, hey? No, that's much clearer. Now, once again, we probably want to adjust the contrast of this. It'd be nice if I could actually add a background of blackness just around this image. Can we do that? Background, color. Here we go. Oh, look at that. That was easy as. I'm quite happy with that. There's obviously empty space there and empty space there. That's nice. I'm still not happy with that color pink. It looks woeful. Now let's add. Yeah, I'm not sure if I need that bit there. Let's get rid of this section here. It's really unuseful, not really useful at all. What am I doing? Delete. Reviews. Let's just quickly go to the Queen's Head and check what reviews I have. Get rid of that. Here we go. Almost 400 reviews. They're doing quite well. Let's have a look at some of their latest ones. Old world charm without and history yet new within. Love it. Let's copy that one and edit this. Chuck that in there. And it was done by Janice. Thank you, Janice. Hope you approve of us using this. Interesting. And we can get rid of this element here, hey? We sure can. Okay. Guys, if I'm honest, I'm actually really impressed with this system. It's been quite good. I might want to make this page a bit smaller though. Can I do that in here? Just block settings. We don't want to stretch to full height. Padding. Let's adjust that. So that refers to this. Let's call it 10. Not 10. Jeez, that's too much. Too little. 40. Yes, let's make it 40 on both top and bottom. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. Interesting. That looks good. I'm not going to adjust those because I'm leave those fake. The contact and then inquiries. It's a bit of a parallax effect around there. Okay. Obviously we can adjust these later. Let's preview this site and see how it looks. Actually try interacting with it. Obviously we haven't changed much of the settings, we've just done a lot of visual stuff. But so far I've been quite happy with it. If I'm totally honest, so far this builder actually is kind of easier than Shopify to use in terms of their builder. It's probably on par with Squarespace. Squarespace is actually quite complicated and has quite a lot of advanced features. So it's interesting to see that this is doing just as well. Okay, here we go. Book now. Yeah, that takes us to an inquiries page. This is all looking nice. The view section is looking nice. Like I said, I'm not happy with this color pink, so we might try and change that in a minute. Let's see how this looks on mobile, because that's super important. Nice, it looks good. All the images size up quite nicely. I'm happy with the color here. Okay, that's quite nice. Oh yeah, we can adjust that as well. And the inquiry page still looks good too. Okay, overall, I'm actually quite happy with this. Let's go back to editor. Let's try and change some of these colors, hey? Okay, how do we do that? What's over here? Okay. Oh, okay, we're going to change the SEO. That's nice. Change the page title and descriptions. Keywords, not sure what that means. Okay, that's cool. It's good to see that. Oh, okay, here's where we add the other pages. Obviously, we don't need other pages. I can rename it here. Let's call it Queen's Head Hotel. And go done. Close that. Now, how do we change that color? What's up here? What about if we go over here? Site style, here we go. Ah, we've got some palettes. What do we want? The Queen's Head is quite a classy place, so we want something classy. Let's try this. How does that look? Oh, I'm not really happy with that. We want something classy, but not too old school. What about something like that, modern? Here we go. Takes a second to update. Yes, I do like that actually. I'm quite happy with that. I really like the font, but obviously that's easy to change in here as well, isn't it? With the text. Okay, yep. So it's pretty easy. You can just select the different fonts. Let's try something a bit different, like a Kelgore. Montserrat. She's not very good at this, am I? Okay, that looks nice too. Ah, so we've got a few classy fonts in here. They've got quite a long selection actually, which is nice because a lot of builders don't. Let's go with this one there. Doesn't really matter, it's only a test. No, let's definitely not go with that, it's hideous. Let's go there. Out of curiosity. Yeah, okay, that looks good. Okay, so far this is quite nice actually. Obviously this is quite easy to change down here, but that's just adjusting stuff in here. Okay. Overall, I'm actually quite happy with this, guys. Weblium actually has been quite good as a comment mode. Oh, let's try this. Oh, here we go. So obviously this is for feedback and improving stuff. Add general comment. Background to dark. Okay. Interesting. And then the resolve comments. Okay, we reply to that. Oh, that's really cool. So that's a bit of a feedback mode. And we can go in here to dark post. Oh, okay. Oh, that's really cool. Now this is a cool feature of Weblium. I haven't seen this. Nice work. Oh, this is cool. I really like this. This is actually quite an easy, good web builder. I was a little bit nervous in the beginning when it took forever to load, but I'm actually quite happy with this. It looks like it actually be quite useful. Now, how easy is it to publish this? Okay, they're publishing the site. Okay, Sheesh, it's going fast. So there's obviously this here. If I put this in, it's just going to take me to the website straight away. Might have to update that a bit later. That's probably in the SEO settings. I'll be damned. It's working straight away. Let's have a look if that's a H1 tag. It is H1, okay, so they've done a good job of that too. That's not too bad at all. If we go inspect, we can even have a look how it looks in mobile. Looks really good. Okay, they've done a really good job with this. Let's go back here. Okay, I'm quite happy with this. Now, let's not rate it, but I'm quite happy. Let's have a look at the pricing of Weblium. Okay. Wow, that's a pretty good deal. A lifetime package of $200 US, which is about 300 Australian. You get 3 site pages, domain connection, all the stuff you expect, free SSL, that's good, and Google hosting. That's not bad. That's a pretty good deal. And a 14-day money guarantee on all plans. That's not bad. That's, I think, cheaper than Squarespace and other options, really. Definitely. Yeah, well, it's probably similar. It's probably on par. That's not bad. So guys, overall, I'm actually quite happy with Weblium. That was literally my first time using the platform, and I think it went quite well. I would actually probably recommend it for people just on that first experience. It's so easy to use, and really, it's almost as easy as Microsoft Word and Pages. Obviously, I'm not that experienced with it because I've only used it for the duration of this video, but overall, I'd be actually quite happy to recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video / review / testimonial or / tutorial, and have a great day.